Okay, picture this, it's 2 a.m., your rent is due tomorrow, and you just found that crumpled check your grandma sent you for your birthday. You're wide awake, staring at the ceiling, wondering how you're going to get that money into your account before the bank opens. You think, if only I could just snap a picture of this thing and deposit it right now. Now, if you're like a lot of people, especially those who are drawn to modern financial platforms like M1 Finance, you're probably asking yourself, does M1 have mobile check deposit? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? In a world where everything is instant, where we can order groceries, stream movies, and even control our thermostats from our phones, the ability to deposit a check with a few taps seems like a basic necessity. Yet, the financial industry, despite its technological advancements, can sometimes lag behind. So, let's unpack this, shall we? First, let's establish why this question is so important. M1 Finance has positioned itself as a platform for long-term investors, those who are building wealth through automated investing and strategic portfolio management. It's a platform that emphasizes convenience and efficiency. You can set up your portfolio, automate your contributions, and even borrow against your investments with M1 Borrow. It's designed for the modern investor who wants to streamline their financial life. But here's the thing, even the most sophisticated investors occasionally receive checks. Whether it's a gift, a reimbursement, or a payment from a small business, checks still exist. And when you need to deposit one, you want the process to be as seamless as possible. You don't want to be forced to find a physical branch or mail in your check, especially when you're accustomed to the convenience of digital finance. Now, before we dive into M1's specific capabilities, let's take a moment to understand the broader landscape of mobile check deposit. This feature, which has become increasingly common in recent years, allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera. You simply take a picture of the front and back of the check, and the funds are typically deposited into your account within a few business days. It's a game changer for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. The technology behind mobile check deposit is quite sophisticated. Banks and financial institutions use image recognition software and other security measures to verify the authenticity of the check and prevent fraud. This technology has become more reliable and accessible over time, leading to wider adoption of mobile check deposit across the industry. However, not all financial institutions offer this feature, and even those that do may have limitations. Some may have daily or monthly deposit limits, while others may restrict the types of checks that can be deposited. And of course, the speed of the deposit can vary depending on the institution. So, where does M1 Finance fit into all of this? This is where things get interesting. M1 Finance, while offering a wide range of innovative financial tools, has historically focused on investment and wealth-building features rather than traditional banking services. M1 is not a bank, it is a brokerage. It partners with Lincoln Savings Bank to offer checking accounts. This distinction is crucial to understanding why certain features might be present or absent. When you sign up for M1 Spend, you get a checking account that comes with a debit card and various other features. However, mobile check deposit is a feature that has been, shall we say, a bit of a moving target. For a time, M1 Finance did not offer mobile check deposit. This meant that users who needed to deposit checks had to resort to other methods, such as mailing in the check or using a third-party service. This was a source of frustration for many users, particularly those who had come to expect the convenience of mobile check deposit from other financial platforms. However, as M1 has grown and responded to user feedback, they have continued to develop and refine their offerings. As of recent updates, M1 Finance has begun to roll out mobile check deposit capabilities. This is a significant development for M1 users as it addresses a long-standing pain point and makes the platform even more convenient. But here's the crucial detail: the rollout of mobile check deposit may be gradual. It may not be available to all users immediately, and there may be certain limitations or requirements. M1 Finance is continually updating its features, so it's always a good idea to check their official website or app for the latest information. Now, let's talk about the implications of this. The addition of mobile check deposit to M1 Finance is a clear sign that the company is listening to its users and adapting to their needs. It demonstrates a commitment to providing a comprehensive financial platform that can handle a wide range of financial tasks. For M1 users, this means greater convenience and flexibility. You no longer have to worry about finding a physical branch or mailing in your checks. You can simply deposit them from the comfort of your own home, using your smartphone. This is particularly valuable for those who are busy or who live in areas without easy access to traditional banking services. However, it's important to remember that mobile check deposit is just one piece of the puzzle. M1 Finance offers a wide range of other features that make it a powerful platform for long-term investors. From automated investing to borrowing against your portfolio, M1 Finance provides a comprehensive suite of tools for building wealth. So, to circle back to our original question, does M1 have mobile check deposit? The answer is yes, with the caveat that it's a feature that has been recently added and may be subject to ongoing updates and limitations. It's best to check the M1 app or website for the most up-to-date details. Now, let's consider the broader implications for the future of digital banking. The increasing adoption of mobile check deposit is a clear indication that consumers are demanding greater convenience and efficiency from their financial institutions. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative features and services that make banking more accessible and user-friendly. For M1 Finance, the addition of mobile check deposit is a significant step forward in its journey to becoming a comprehensive financial platform. It demonstrates a commitment to meeting the needs of its users and providing a seamless financial experience. But it's also a reminder that the financial industry is constantly evolving. What was once a cutting-edge feature can quickly become a standard expectation. And as consumers become more accustomed to the convenience of digital finance, they will continue to demand even more from their financial institutions. So, as you continue to explore the world of digital finance, remember to stay informed and stay curious. The landscape is constantly changing, and there are always new opportunities and challenges to discover. And always check the fine print and the most current information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.